What's up, Team Curlew? This is Mo and I'm back. My husband is downstairs sleeping. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and scare him and see what happened. Let's see his reaction. So let's go.
No, boy, you can't fucking be my people sleep, man.
I just pray you stop.
You can't fuck with people that people sleep, bad man.
Babe, I was just pranking you. I'm so sorry.
Man, fuck you, man.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Yo, he's a fucking man. Alright, yo.
You asleep?
Yo.
I didn't know you was asleep.
Yo.
Babe, I'm sorry. I scared you? Bumbleclad. Did I scare you?
If it's scary part, your people that leave sleeping on man, you come and make that me no bad man.
Your head hurts? I'm sorry for scaring you.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, Team Curlew. I came down here and scared my husband. I'm so sorry. He's kind of upset because I scared him. But I thought it was just so funny. Babe, I'm sorry. I love you.
Alright, man.